My buddy Chris coming in with his CVX16 and his future bride. He runs, I believe, a 77, and it's got a rebuilt Evinrude 140. The thing really hauls the mail. It's a gorgeous boat. He's done some nice things to it. Say hi, you're on Candid Camera. That rock pile is over here.
Yeah, I saw it.
Water's awesome. Chris, what year is your boat? Is it 77?
She's a 77.
That's what I thought. CVX16. You can see his beautiful rebuilt Evinrude 140. Thing flies. He set it up to 60 with his chopper prop. That anchor he's got is a homemade thing. It looks pretty cool. Got a jack plate on the back. See this instrument panel that was reworked. Oh, awesome condition. Okay, we're going to sign off here.